Well, this particular update and the plan for it really fits within our wider vision of trying to be at the forefront of sport and technology. We're always looking for new opportunities. We decided to invest and see what we could do with our pitch-side displays and infrastructure, which are a really important part of the match day and media experience in football. Unilumin are our strategic partner for this and hopefully for future projects as well. Pitch-side media are one of the most valuable assets that we have in the Premier League. This two-tier system gives us a much wider range of technological possibilities. We can use those to help get our partners' messages and brands across. We can use those for entertainment. This new two-tier supersized system that we've got now gives us just a whole range of possibilities. Using the two boards in what we call the domination mode to provide a single supersized display right around the perimeter of the pitch. But we can also run in different modes. We can run with two separate and two different displays. That might give us the possibility, for example, to, yes, run a partner asset, but also run some entertainment for the fans. We're going to continue to explore this and continue to develop new ways to entertain fans and to carry our partners' messages. For the boards themselves, they're incredibly bright, they're incredibly sharp. We get phenomenal picture quality, both in the stadium and on television. We can adapt that to weather conditions, camera angles, so we get a huge amount of performance out of the screens.
There are lots of technical difficulties. That's the nature of a bespoke system. We worked very collaboratively with Unilumin to overcome those. We had to survey the stadium from the principal camera position, which is just above where I stand now, and then make sure both layers of board are fully viewable from that position. It comes down to the millimetre, so I believe we had 5 mil of tolerance in it in the end. Again, I keep using the word collaboration, but it is about working together to adapt the board to enable us to fulfill that requirement. Certainly with the second row of LED specifically, it couldn't move. It had to layer upon the first LED. So it was about Unilumin's ability to customize that board that enabled us to create a single aspect from that primary position.
在品牌影响力上，因为周明体育作为全球体育事先解决方案的引领者，而曼城又作为全球知名的体育俱乐部。 我们第一次尝试性的用了联合 logo， 真正属于自己的一款联合产品。我们也在曼城的主场进行了长达1个月的一个测试，真正是从技术解决方案上达到这个全球一个引领的一个效果。
We set up a dedicated team for Manchester City project the day we receiving the inquiry. We explored Manchester City needs in the beginning of the project and customized the solution for the club. We are fortunate enough to have offices globally, like offices in Singapore, London. Our localized service and faster response is a plus.
Manchester City wanted to minimize space occupied by the perimeter screens. And in order to comply with these requirements, we have had to completely rethink the idea of fixing our cabinets to the ground. This is dual-tier system, and both tiers should be able to stack on each other from the camera one perspective. In case just one cabinet would be misplaced even a little bit, all that magical effect would be completely lost. Our team of skilled engineers were able to overcome all the challenges and propose a solid technical solutions. We're really proud of the results, and we were extremely happy to receive such a positive feedback from both Manchester City Club and the installation team.
Your Premier League champions, Manchester City, celebrate at the Etihad in front of 10,000 fans. A glorious season for Manchester City comes to a close, with the fans back here at the Etihad.
欢迎来到篮球世界杯上海站、深圳站、武汉站、篮球世界杯北京站。I'm on the big stage. I got my crew. I'll get you moving. It's what I do. The party's starting. It's going down.
We supply LED perimeter screens, control software, content management, and operation services for all 8 FIBA 2019 World Cup venues. Our professional team of more than 100 engineers did a great job working on this project to support 2019 FIBA World Cup.
I think that FIBA made a very good decision when they started cooperation with your company, because your product as LED boards are very, very good very good quality, and also they are very well protected for the sport.
Happy working with the Unilumin team here. They were really helpful and were able to solve any issues and work with us and do everything we needed. So we were happy to work with you guys here. The first time we collaborate together, and that experience proves to be very successful. And we have now a cooperation for 5 years, so this is only the beginning of a successful relationship between Unilumin Sports and FIBA. We have many more events coming up until 2023. And the next World Cup, which will be in the Philippines, Japan and Indonesia. And especially we have a project where we'll be developing co-branded products, FIBA/Unilumin Sports, and we hope to set up the standard for basketball in terms of LED solutions.